Here's a recap for all our tips for the week. Here's how to merge two data frames. First, import Pandas. Here are two example data frames. Then say pd.merge df1 df2 on equals the column to merge on, how equals inner, outer, left, or right, indicator equals true to output a column that shows if the row appears in left only, right only, or both data frames, and suffix equals underscore left, underscore right to append both those suffixes if both data frames have columns with the same names. Here's how to check if the values in two columns are close to each other. First, import Pandas. Then import numpy. Here's an example data frame. Then say np.isclose, input the two columns, and set a tolerance. Here's how to duplicate a row 200 times in a data frame. First, import Pandas. Here's an example data frame with one row. Then say pd.concat df in brackets times 200, ignore index equals true.